Greetings, one and all. You're tuning in with your reliable guide to life's practical skills. Today's topic is an essential one, especially for those of you who enjoy the freedom of the open road. We're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of how to change a tire. It's a skill that could save you a lot of time, money, and stress in the long run. To undertake this task, you'll need a few vital tools: a car jack, a lug wrench, and of course, a spare tire. It's also a good idea to have a pair of sturdy gloves to protect your hands and a piece of wood to secure the car jack. Now, before we dive into the process, it's essential to prioritize safety. Make sure you're in a safe location, away from heavy traffic. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers of your situation and engage your parking brake to prevent any movement of the vehicle. The first step is to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire with your lug wrench. But remember, we're just loosening them at this stage, not removing them entirely. Next, it's time to lift the car using your jack. Make sure to place the jack in the correct spot, usually indicated in your car's manual. Raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Now you can fully remove the lug nuts and then the flat tire. With the flat tire off, mount your spare tire onto the wheelbase. Once the spare tire is in place, it's time to tighten those lug nuts. Make sure they're secure, but don't use all your strength just yet. We'll do the final tightening when the car is back on the ground. Now you can lower the car back to the ground using the jack. Once the car is securely on the ground, give those lug nuts one last tighten. This is when you make sure they're as tight as can be. Before you hit the road, do a quick check of your work. Ensure the lug nuts are tight and the spare tire is secure. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed a tire. It's a good idea to practice this a few times to get comfortable with the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-to guides. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring those roads.